Welcome to Secure 7. Today we're diving into a sneaky but powerful web vulnerability, cross-site request forgery, or CSRF. We'll explain how it works, demonstrate real-world attacks, and most importantly, show you how to prevent them. Let's get started. CSRF is an attack where a malicious site tricks your browser into performing unwanted actions on a site you're already logged into without your knowledge. Imagine being logged into your bank. Then you visit a malicious site and boom, money is transferred without you ever clicking send. The attacker abuses your browser's session. They can forge requests on your behalf because your session cookies are automatically sent. It's like writing a check and someone else signing it with your pen without your consent. Let's demonstrate a CSRF attack using DVWA, Damn Vulnerable Web App. Here's how CSRF works in steps. 1. Victim logs into a target site, e.g. banking site. 2. Session cookie is stored in the browser. 3. Attacker crafts a malicious request, usually a form or AJAX call. 4. Victim visits attacker's page. 5. Browser sends the request with a session cookie. 6. Action gets completed, silently. No credentials, no password prompts, just abuse of trust. CSRF has hit real companies. Netflix, CSRF allowed attackers to change account settings. YouTube, old API, CSRF could subscribe users to channels. ForgeRock, an open redirect plus CSRF led to full account hijack. It's dangerous because it often goes unnoticed until it's too late. Several tools help pentesters find and exploit CSRF flaws. Burp Suite, intercept and replay CSRF payloads. owasp Zap, passive scanning for vulnerable endpoints. CSRF Tester, simple test generator. Browser dev tools for crafting and sending hidden requests. The good news? CSRF is preventable with these defenses. Anti-CSRF tokens. Add unique tokens to each form/request. The server checks if the token matches. If not, the request is rejected. Same-site cookies. Set cookie headers like same-site equals strict or lax. This stops cross-origin requests. Set a value in both cookie and form. Compare both on the server. User interaction validation. Use CAPTCHAs or confirmation pages before sensitive actions. CORS headers refer checks. Restrict where requests can originate from. Log out. Idle sessions. Limit time attackers have to exploit the active session. CSRF can go beyond forms. It can target REST APIs, JSON requests, mobile apps with web views. Attackers might chain CSRF with XSS to steal CSRF tokens and escalate attacks. Let's recap. CSRF tricks your browser into doing things you didn't intend. The key problem is trust in cookies and sessions. With proper tokens, headers, and validation, CSRF becomes powerless. Don't ignore it. Even read-only actions can lead to privilege escalation. Thanks for watching Secure 7. If this video helped you, drop a like, share it, and subscribe for more hacking insights. Next episode, Insecure Deserialization, where we show how serialized objects can lead to remote code execution. See you next time.